to keep your blades well oiled and cleaned. It is important for transfer of any dander or bacteria from dog to dog. So I like to use a blade wash and a blade oil. First of all, the blade wash is in what I like to use is just a little soap dish. Switch on your clippers and submerge just the blade tips where the teeth are, and you can run it for around 30 seconds, and you often see a lot of the dander and rubbish come out in the bowl. Switch the clippers off, we'll let it drip in there, and then I like to use a paper towel just to give a quick dry. Now I'm going to slide the teeth over so I can access these areas. A lot of your clippers will come with a little brush like this. These are ideal for getting rid of any loose pieces of hair that are still stuck in the blade. I'm going to get my oil and place a drop just in this section here, which is called the guide rail. And then we're going to pop another drop or two in this section here. That's the top rail. And then the bottom rail here. Then turn the blade over and we'll put a drop just near the teeth and then another drop on the bottom rail. And then close your blade up. You can give it another little wipe. And then you're ready to go.